Am I looking sleepy? Is it fine? Or this is better, I guess.
Hello YouTubers, how you all doing? Hope you're all fantastic with your amazing rides and menu and you're watching these vlogs.
We were staying in Paris to get away from your parents. You look so proud, standing there with a fountain, a cigarette, posting pictures.
Today I am going to explain my 1-year ownership experience about my 2016 Avenger Cruise 220. It is an oil-cooled digital twin spark technology engine which comes with a power output of 19 bhp power at 4700 rpm and 17.5 Nm torque at 7000 rpm. It has a massive tank capacity of 14 liters and 3.4 reserve tank capacity, which is quite amazing. So I am going to talk about the good things about the bike and the bad things about the bike. So let's get started. Firstly, when you get on a bike, you first look at the comfort. Talking about the comfort, this is brilliant on this bike for the rider as well as the pillion. You can call this bike as a budget bike, as this bike costs around 93,300 rupees ex-showroom Delhi. So I got it like on 1,02,000 bucks on road. And there's no problem regarding wind deflection as you have a good visor attached to the bike, as you can see later on this video. And talking about the fuel efficiency, like people ask you, कौन सा गाड़ी है भाई, कितना देती है? Like you can say easily 35 km per liter. No cheap quality products are used on this bike. If you met with an accident, the damage on this bike is very less. Now going to bad things about the bike. These are not really bad kind of. Literally you can't drive this bike in the traffic. सच में फट जाएगी भाई. It doesn't come with a tubeless tire and alloy wheels, which the Avenger 220 Street has. Ground clearance on the city conditions is very low compared to other bikes like NS200, considerably with deep segment kind of bikes. The ground clearance of this bike is 130 mm, which is really low in city conditions. So this is my ownership experience in 1 year. The first modification goes to the headlight, and it consists of 8 projectors and 8 LED and 2 DRLs, which you can see over there. And the second part goes to the handle. It feels like you're on a Harley, and this is a very comfortable handle, as you can see. And the unique part is the tail light. So have you ever seen an Avenger with this tail lamp? And mainly about the engine oil. The only engine oil I use for this bike is Motul 7100. The seat you are seeing on this bike is a split seat, which is very comfortable for the pillion to sit on the traffic or else in highways. And these are the normal wrap for the frame sliders, which doesn't affect any major damage to the. So guys, as you can see, I have already removed the foot peg and the sari guard on this bike, and you can't see the center stand as well, so it makes a good ground clearance too. When you see a bike, first you look at the exhaust. So this is a Cobra exhaust, which sounds ballistic. घंटी जरूर बजा देना।